Okay, hey, McKay here. I'm back. We're at Olive Garden eating, and I just got this one from Scheels as you watch my other video. And I got these two at a little stand, but I couldn't film because there were so many people there. But this one is like a lamb, and the eyes actually pop. And then so this one was $10, and then this one was also $10. If you got them separately, they were $12 a piece, but I got two. I was totally gonna get this one, but then I saw that one. So this is the Planet Dimple, and it was only $10. I think that's really good. But you guys can hear. I'm gonna try to be quiet. So it's really good. It's kind of loud in here. So this one's a really good one. And then I don't know if I can do the planet. It's kind of hard. So there's that. We are going to be going to Five Below, and then we might run into Dollar Tree. So I will film Five Below, but probably not Dollar Tree. Maybe I'll film like a really short video like this one. But so I got Oreo Poppets. So these are going to go with my other fidget collections. If you guys want to see a face reveal of me, you guys need to subscribe. I'm going to, if I can get 10 or 20 subscribers, I will do a face reveal, or once I hit like 10 videos or 5. So give this video, or give some of all my videos 5 thumbs up. And I will be doing a face reveal once I get my hair colored. So here at Olive Garden, you guys can see it. I'm gonna let you guys go. Please subscribe. Please comment if you have any questions for me. Like, where do I get my fidgets and stuff? Okay. Okay. See you guys later. Subscribe, comment down below, and give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see my face. And maybe my mom's face and my friend's face. Okay, bye!